Welcome to our YouTube page, and today we got something special that we want to share with you. So we have this beautiful railway that we want to take you around, but we also have this amazing machine they call the sterilizer. So we're gonna switch off the lights off. We're gonna see, and we're gonna try to find out how if we can actually see anything strange on our toys. We can see that Thomas looks pretty good. Not Thomas, but where's Thomas? That's our train from Brio that we can always hold it, so we are trying to see if we actually can see anything strange in our toys. Let me put the light back on, where we can see again. And now we're gonna go and follow this train on the railway at the same time that we're going to You need a little bit of help. Oh, I need more help. Fantastic. It is on the rail, so we're gonna keep it all the way. We're gonna sterilize the way as it goes. And we're gonna try to switch off the light to actually see if we get to see something different. That is glow in the dark. That's awesome. So we're gonna have to change the railway, and not to change the railway but to change the train. We're gonna put the light back on, and we're gonna stop the train, and we're going to make it go in a different direction. Let's see what's happened when it goes in a different direction. And we're gonna use also the same process to sterilize the other side of the railway. Go. Oh no, it needs a little bit more power. Oh, just about to fall. Oh no, it just collapsed.